blessed weekend to us. What is English for habwa? Habwa. To have nothing. Habwa. Wala. This is a very interesting starting word for our reflection because this is very much what the gospel reading talks to us, most especially of the so-called, the classic widow's mite. Now what is so challenging here is, of course, every day we always have to empty out something from ourselves, physically speaking. I don't want to itemize it. Precisely because by emptying out, there are spaces reserved for something more that comes or something new that comes. In the life that the gospel reading is also pointing out, there are many things, in fact, not only a few things that we have to empty out. That's why what Jesus actually acknowledged in the image of the widow is this. The widow gave everything she had. Katong duha ka dako, that is the translation in Cebuano. Mao ginunta to siguro iyang ipamahaw o buntag ba to ipaniudto kun udto to siya nga nagampo dito sa templo. In other words, wa na gid siya, no? But those who gave people of their surplus means that they are still very much confident kay napagoy sulod, no? And this is now the challenge that we have to take into perspective. In giving to the Lord, it always includes pain, precisely because even the Lord Jesus himself emptied himself up. No? And through the pain that he suffered for us, we have been healed, according to the letter of St. Peter. So take this as our funny reminder. Not many, well, we can also say many people are so confident when we say, no, many people are not so confident or are not so aware of this, that when we give, there is always a hurt that is involved. So our saying is, give and give until it hurts. But for many people, it is hurt and hurt until you give.